here on the 25th, I believe, of April. And it's a day off, and it's a good thing because it's not been going all that well. I have had this large, oversized fun panel blown off the mark several times. Where my shelf liner is, I can't tell you. You get old enough, I think you can hide your own Easter eggs. And I've also got an experiment going. So we may luck out. I'm gonna check these. I have a glass or clear Pyrex pipe plate underneath that dark cover there, and the plan was to remove it partway through the session, both to see if we got some browning underneath and if I could just simply remove the lid without losing too much heat and continue on. But the wind is not playing favorites here. It's messed with me several times, and my inability to find where I put the shelf liner certainly isn't helping things. So I'm thinking that this one's done. We're an hour and a half in. I decided to spare you all the trips in and out in hopes that the videos not be quite so boring. So I got this out here just for giving it that old college try here. I really need to take some of E. Charles Wright's suggestions with the not ferrules, what do they call them? It escapes me right now. I got to do some modifications based on what he's been doing. So I'm going to check this out here, and we'll see what's going on. Scooch it back a little, make some room for the tablet. Standard sized one, and I'm glad it was today because it's smelling pretty. Ooh, that's looking pretty good. Oh, forgot that. Brought the hot pads and forgot to use it. I'm a boiler operator, so I'm kind of used to grabbing warm things. I'm just going to poke this in and see where it goes. Hopefully you can see that. We are an hour and a half in. Alright, so that is, we're already at 190. Six-ish. I'd say that's 196, 197. I'm going to leave it out here and try and brown it a little more. I think it'll do it. I'll give it another little bit, but an hour and a half to get this far. Didn't think that was too bad. I'm using my not so favorite Pyrex bowls. I have another fun panel that does not have this tab kicked out yet, or cut and kicked in, so I may go and grab that. But let's take a look at the big one here. I'll get it scooched back. hope so. This is the one with the pie plate underneath the black lid. So I just wanted to see. Alright. Well, I can see it's brown a little bit under there. Even after being, well, ooh, look at that. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. We may have pulled off a Hail Mary. I'm gonna give that one the thermometer here. How am I gonna get this out of there? Come on now. That's cranking out. Oh. Come on now. Nice for me. Everybody's gonna be deaf after this. Well, I'm sure it's cooled off a little bit and all that excitement. Can you see that? Yeah, let's see. That's 180. 190. It's cranking up on 200. And I would have kind of expressed, so I think it's done. I'm just gonna put that clear thing back on. And we'll see if we can't round it up a little more. Just to say we did. So let's put that back on. I'm going to go ahead and give this other one a peek. Really don't have high hopes for it, but to go. I'm gonna grab that other. And we got at least an hour to go on that one. I'm gonna go grab that other fun panel without the, it's not quite done. Put that out here. My intention was to run head to head tomorrow, but